Namaste, Vanakkam, once again. Welcome to our Travel Souvenirs channel. Now, before I start with the content of this video, there's a slight change in the name of our channel now. So, because what we found was many people were finding it difficult to understand our uh, channel name, especially the North Indians. So we have now renamed our channel. Basically, the name remains the same. It's our Travel Souvenirs. Now we have abbreviated to OTS. So it's easy. Anybody can easily type it and find our videos. Now we can come to the content of this video. So this is an Omni van which belongs to three friends of Vipin actually. So they are Jeffin, Jobin, and Tushar. They have bought this vehicle to us from Kerala, and it would be very interesting to know about these three first, before why we undertook this project of theirs. So because we were so engrossed with our travel and video series that there were some interest that had come. There were people who were interested to modify their vans, but we kept it delaying because we had not reached that point of comfort where we can start doing work for others. But this as an exception, this to begin with actually, not an exception. We tend to begin our conversion business from here. And these Jeffin, Jobin, and Tushar are three guys who are definitely an inspiration for today's youngsters. They have just passed out from school, and they've joined hand together with a dream of traveling throughout India. Now, what's so special about these two kids? The third one is right now in Kerala. So, we were very moved by their story. So, the story is like, they passed out from school, and they're very, enthusiastic youngsters who have come together with an ambition of traveling throughout this country. And they were not going to do this with anybody's help. So what they have done is, they came together, they started working. They took small time jobs and started saving money. With all that they saved, with their hard work, relentlessly working for close to 1 year towards their dream, they bought this Omni van. Now this is a 2002 model van, but it's in pretty much good condition. Its engine is in very good condition. And so first they purchased this vehicle, and they kept on saving money, and now they want to convert this vehicle into a camper van, which would which help them to stay in this van throughout their travel. And what made us Vipin knew these kids from before, but what made us move was they are so dedicated. They don't mind doing any kind of job to fulfill their dream. And this is definitely an inspiration. This is definitely going to be an inspiration for today's kids. We normally we tend to bank on parents for a long time. Most of us get settled somewhere in the mid-20s. Until then, we are entirely dependent on parents for everything, not realizing that it is a burden on them. But here is an exception, that they did everything by themselves, and they have come to this stage of fulfilling their dream. They are almost at the threshold of fulfilling their dreams. So we thought we should help them out in whichever way we can. So me and Vipin, we agreed, to these kids, and we had decided to do the conversion part for them. So let's go. Let's not waste time. Let's have a look at this vehicle. And we have removed all the seats now, and it's from the starting stage. So what we have, since budget is an issue over here, so we decided to do the minimum most essential requirement. So which is first primarily converting the seat to bed, some electrical setup for them, and a kitchen setup for them. So this is how it looks at the beginning. What they have done is they've removed the seat. They've got this vehicle like this to us. So we have now just begun the work by putting and adding a platform to the base. So, and then all the fixtures of the seat and the kitchen cabinet will come over it, right? So stage by stage, we'll be putting videos of how we are going to go about doing this conversion. And so many of you had actually from our after watching our videos, many of us have contacted us and wanting to know in detail as to how we were doing the conversion and all that. So this DIY video of conversion should be able to answer many of your queries. And the design we chose for this is very similar, because Omni is a smaller version of Eco. It's smaller in size, so there we had some design limitations. For example, there's no roof space, so the roof boxes are a question out. And some design modifications we have done on the boxes also, on the seats also. So we have left the axis to be in the front part. This is going to be the axis, and somewhere up till this level we'll have the seats. Whatever conversion we are going to do, it's going to be so bed to seat should be a one-step process. So that is our design idea. Let's wait and watch how it turns out to be. And to all our travel souvenir family, there's a request: please encourage such kids, who who try to be independent. And through our channel, we would like to request you to have a look at their channel. They have a small channel called Travel Kids, and they have already put some videos with their travel on this vehicle, as well as their other travel experiences. Just encourage them. If you feel that it's worth one word of yours, one word of appreciation of yours, please go ahead and do it. And so this is it. Channel name is Travel Kid.